the crackdown continues. The white collar terror module unfolding. We're given to understand in the fresh development, the latest that we are picking up in Delhi blast probe, another doctor has been detained for questioning. A big update coming in. Agencies detain another doctor. Sources say Dr. Zahoor was picked up from his residential quarters at GMC Srinagar. Let's go across to Sahil Suhail, who's getting us more details. Another doctor arrested now. What was his role? What are the officials saying?
Well, as of now, he is only detained for questioning, and this doctor is being identified by the sources as Dr. Zahoor. He was picked up from the residential quarters of GMC Srinagar, and in fact has been taken to police station for questioning. These doctors, who are being picked up and in fact detained for questioning, are primarily the primary or secondary contacts of Dr. Umar and Dr. Adil and Dr. Muzammil Shakil. As we had continuously in fact said this, and we're reporting this, that the primary and secondary contacts of all of these doctors are under scanner, and we are picking up from the sources there are multiple, in fact, a good number of doctors who were in touch with these doctors. Well, they were in fact in touch for their professional needs, or there was something more to it. That's why police is picking up these doctors and detaining. Earlier, Dr. Tajammul was basically detained from Srinagar, and in fact his father has came out now with a claim that he was released. Only his mobile phone has been in fact retained by the police and sent for the technical analysis which is required for establishing connections when it comes to in fact
all right. So, Suhail, you're saying that these are detentions at the moment. These individuals are primary or secondary contacts of the doctors who've been arrested in the blast case. They may or may not have any involvement in the blast. But at the moment, the agencies, the officials not leaving any stone unturned and, intensifying their search and investigation, looking for more clues.
Yes, exactly. This is, in fact, what police is doing, or the investigating agencies are doing. They're looking for the primary and secondary contacts of all those accused who have been formally arrested in the case. Remember, there are, in fact, 8 individuals, including 3 doctors, who have been formally arrested in this case, particularly in Kashmir. They are being interrogated at GIC Srinagar. Yesterday, there was interrogation of these accused taking place in GIC Srinagar, and today as well, the NIA team is already in Srinagar. They are investigating these individuals, particularly the doctors like Dr. Adil, Dr. Tajammul, and in fact, the contacts of Dr. Umar are also under scan. So these doctors who are being picked up for questioning are essentially the primary or secondary contacts of these accused. So whether they were in fact in touch with these doctors for their professional in fact requirements as doctors, or any other person dealing with any other profession remain in touch, or there was something deep down, this is the matter of investigation. That's why their digital devices are being seized or in fact sent for technical analysis. We have seen how in fact people who are in fact seen as suspects by these investigating agencies were picked up. Around 7 people from South Kashmir's Pulwama itself who are in touch with Mulvi Irfan. So all of these are basically investigated. All of these are basically being questioned to find out links, to find out their role in whole of this matter. That the investigation already had started with the posters that had come out in Srinagar in Naugam area on 18th or 19th of October, and since then police is investigating the matter. They had big success when they got in fact Dr. Adil and Dr. Muzammil arrested large quantities.
So
of
7 doctors in total have been detained till now. Like you've been saying, these are detentions. They have been picked up for questioning because the agency is obviously looking for clues, for more information to connect the dots. They may or may not be, Suhail, linked to the blast, but perhaps they witnessed something. Perhaps they know of something that they can share and help the agencies with in the investigation.
And yes, exactly. This is what police and other investigating agencies at the moment are doing. So there are three parts of the investigation. One is the connections of all those who have been arrested. Then there are two other investigations that are happening and that police is looking for, which has Jammu and Kashmir police has made it very clear in the initial statement that was released on, in fact, Monday. The two parts are, one, the radicalization part, and second is the financial part. Both these parts are under investigation, and security agencies, or Jammu and Kashmir police, or investigating agencies, are also looking for those trusts that basically Jammu and Kashmir police had mentioned in its statement.
Right.
That there were in fact financial channels as well. So
yes, so perhaps these doctors can share some information about the radicalization. Maybe they were approached, maybe they know something about the activities happening, and perhaps, you know, during the course of investigation and detention, the police might come across more people. Stay on with us, Suhail. More